Okay, Saturday, March the 18th, 2023. We're coming out of the Oconee National Forest Recreation Area. We're going to turn right on Georgia Highway 15, headed towards Watkinsville. We'll cross the Oconee River right here. The Iron Horse will be up here on the right. We will swing in there and let you see the Iron Horse, and then we'll continue on our way. Then we'll have these two short videos to upload for you. There you go. Y'all don't need to see me. YouTube says I need to get in front of the camera more, but I don't care anything about being in front of the camera. Okay, crossing over the Oconee River. I used to think the Oconee River was the dividing line between Oconee and Greene, and that the Iron Horse was in Oconee, but it's not. The Iron Horse is in Greene County. And for those that don't know, the Iron Horse was exiled. He was expelled from UGA back in the 50s. He was just too progressive, too modern art for the students. Those old nasty conservative UGA students of the 1950s tried to melt him, set fire to his feet, his hooves, and just all kind of stuff. Drove him out of the campus. It's an interesting story. Ended up out here in this cornfield, and this is where he's been since the mid-50s. Now, they usually plant sunflowers, or a lot of times they'll plant sunflowers out here in this area, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And I do have pictures and video of the Iron Horse with the sunflowers. Let's get down here and see if we can get a little bit better angle of that sun, and I'll zoom in for you. That's looking back towards, down 15 back towards Greensboro. Let's see if we can frame him right in the door for you. Right in the gate. There we go. Let's zoom it in for you. There you go, Iron Horse. What's up, buddy? There you go, buddy. There you go. Get y'all some Iron Horse. Okay, we're going to head out of the parking lot. We're going to turn right, and we'll be heading towards Watkinsville on Georgia Highway 15. We're going to turn the camera off. This will be a wrap.